What's up, crypto gang? Welcome back to another episode. If you guys are new here, we do a giveaway at the beginning of every single episode, and today's winner is Kaka. Thanks so much for commenting on the last dozen videos, Kaka. You've been an amazing member of the community. Thanks so much. I just sent you some crypto. On this episode, I go over Bexplus. It's a new 100x leverage trading platform for Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ripple, and a bunch of other altcoins. And one of the things that's most important about this Bexplus exchange is the fact that you can go through a simulator. And the simulator is a lot of fun. You start out with 10 Bitcoin. You can play around with the 100x leverage trading, and it's a really cool feeling to feel like a whale in the 100x leverage trading world. Before I dive in, as a quick disclaimer, this video is sponsored by Bexplus. I reached out to them because I've been really interested in these leverage exchanges. A lot of people like Crypto Wendy and Crypto Stash and a lot of my friends out there that create content in this space have talked about these leverage trading platforms like your bitmex and your bybit and all of these other platforms out there. So I really wanted to reach out to one directly and work with them on a video with a simulation where I could play around with 10 Bitcoin and just get absolutely wrecked. Now, first of all, this is not financial advice by any means. I'm not a professional trader by any means. And also, when you are doing your own research on the different exchanges, make sure that you learn everything about it. And with Bexplus, you can actually go to their encyclopedia page and you can see everything about a cryptocurrency exchange, what it means to use leverage trading, what is a futures contract, all of the definitions that you will need in order to participate on the exchange. I've been waiting for Bitcoin to have some price action over the last 7 or 8 days, and today we finally got a good old-fashioned 2% dump, which was a lot of fun to put a stop loss on the simulation on 10 Bitcoin so you guys can get a chance to see what it's like to put 10 Bitcoin on the line when the price is dumping with the stop loss in place. For all you beginners out there, stop loss basically means that you get out of a position when the price hits that point. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go through the 10 Bitcoin simulation, which is a ton of fun, while the Bitcoin price is tanking quite a bit. I'm gonna set stop losses, and I'm also going to show you guys some of the promotions that they're currently running. I'm a big fan of this exchange. I'm a big fan of these leverage trading exchanges coming out. And one of the most important parts here is that they have that encyclopedia page. I think every exchange should have an entire section for education so new traders can come in, feel comfortable with what they're doing, and then go into the simulator so they can actually play around with not their own money, just fake money that they're playing with on the platform like a game. And then they can ease into using their own money when they're comfortable. So let's dive right into my overview video of the exchange and the simulator. So right when you come into the dashboard, you can see in a big blue button, take your 10 BTC simulation account so you can start experimenting with this 100x leverage concept. So let's go ahead and join into the simulation. So we are in the simulation account here, and you can see our buy and sell. Our account balance is 10 Bitcoin. So we're going to go ahead and risk it all with 8 Bitcoin at market. And we're going to go ahead and purchase 8 Bitcoin. And there is the transaction right there. And we are set. It looks like it is on 8,128. And look at how quickly this thing is moving. So since we have that order in, I'm gonna go ahead and put a stop loss on it. And we're gonna go ahead and say that we will take profit at, let's do 82 and stop loss at 81, confirm. So we are set with our stop loss and are taking profit right there. So it'll go in between here. As you can see, it's trading in real time on the simulation to get you experienced with the 100x leverage. I love that they allow you to do this so you can learn before you actually get involved here. As you can see, Bitcoin is totally crashing right now, which is kind of wild to watch on the simulation. It's gone all the way from 8,200 down to 8,100. So by crashing, I just mean that it's going down by $100, which is nothing in the grand scheme of things here, but it is fun to actually be doing the simulation while this is tanking a little bit. And what'll happen is the stop loss, like I will get out of this at 8,100 and I'll take profit if it goes back up to 8,200. on my leverage trade. Even if you're not a trader, I just recommend checking out this simulation because it is fun to play around with. It's almost like a little bit of a game because you're able to just experience what it's like to trade with $100,000 right now or $80,000 worth of Bitcoin just in a simulation. So it's not affecting you at all. It's just a fun experience to figure out what it's like to be a whale in the space and play around with large amounts of Bitcoin. And we're going to go ahead and just plop in another 2 just to play around with this. We're going to go ahead and buy market. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and say we'll take profit at 8,400 and then we're going to continue our stop at 8,100. So that's our parameters there and it'll jiggle between there. As you can see, the price jumped down. So boom. All right. We hit 8,100 there for a second and hopefully it is going to show you guys what it's like to have my stop loss kick in and protect ourselves on this trade here. All right. We just had the stop loss go through. So we got out from under that and you can see our account balance is 9.96. So we got out from under it, which is fantastic. And you can see it's still going down. So that's the reason that you put the stop losses there, because if it's crashing, you don't want to catch falling knives. You want to make sure that you're out of the way of it. And I put the stop loss at 8,100 and had the profit at, I believe it was 8,200 or 8,400, just in case it just skyrocketed. But this was a good exercise to show you guys what it's like to use a stop loss in the event that it is crashing and you can get out from that trade and not lose anything other than, I think that was 0.04 Bitcoin. So obviously leverage trading is a huge trend in the space right now. Bexplus amplifies gains by supporting 100x leverage transactions. Price increase 1% can bring 100% profits. Bidirectional profit, diversified trading models, two-way profits for long buy-in and shorts, risk prevention controllable. I do like that they show a visual representation of what is 100 times leverage and then the bidirectional profit. So for example, during the BCH fork that happened with Bcash in 2017 in August, the price absolutely skyrocketed. So you can see that not using leverage, you would get 15% returns, and using leverage, you would get 1,500% returns. If you used your leverage trade right there at 13.5, it went up to 16.5. So you would be absolutely in a massive return right there. And then on the flip side, you have the bidirectional profit. The bidirectional profit is with a CFD, or a contract for difference. It's a different type of financial instrument that allows you to trade on the price movements, regardless of price rising or falling. I kind of say that if the price starts at 6,400 with an open and then it closes at 6,300, you would be able to make earnings there. And in addition to Bitcoin, you can see they have EOS trading pairs, they have Ripple trading pairs, they have ETH trading pairs, they have Litecoin trading pairs with USDT or Tether. So that's a really cool way of getting you into these different altcoins, but mainly starting with Bitcoin, because a lot of these traders out there are trading altcoins just to come back into Bitcoin or their kind of gold standard. One of the main things that drew me to Bexplus was the promotional activities that they're doing. Very similar to other exchanges, they're constantly doing amazing promotions to help bring people like myself into the ecosystem, where you can refer people for commissions. There's 100% deposit bonus, where you can get 10 BTC as a maximum with 100% bonus. They have a savings wallet where you can earn interest. That seems to be the very, very high demand product right now. Coinbase just rolled out one for 1.25 interest. Good luck, JP Morgan, on trying to match that one. And of course, you have the new user welcome package, where the first 500 entries, you get a nice little shiny reward. So really great promotions. I'm pumped to see that they're actually giving back to the community for signups. I know that with things like bitmex and bybit, they are trying to do something similar to this, but these are very compelling. And I like the annual interest savings account. This is going to bring people more towards leaving crypto on the exchange for shorter periods of time or longer periods of time. I am a firm believer in going onto the exchange, making your money and diversifying out. So if you want to put some of that into a savings account, bring some of it off into a hardware wallet, whatever it needs to be, that's how I recommend you spread out across so that you have your leverage trades in, and you're also holding in your Ledger or your Trezor wallet. Last but most certainly not least is that they have their mobile app on the Apple Store or iTunes, and they also have it on Google Play. So no matter what device you're on, I always like to see the screenshots of these things when the websites were developed and what the Bitcoin price was. And this was at 3,937. So this was, way earlier this year in maybe December, January time that this screenshot was taken. And I always like kind of seeing when people had deployed their latest versions. And some websites really try and keep up to date with this, but I kind of like that it's a stamp in time showing how long these websites have been around for. And it gives it a little bit of credibility when they're around for. I remember some of the Coinbase early ones were crazy prices on their screenshots, and I love looking back at that. So real-time market index on the mobile device. I have seen people use this, and I've been playing around with it on my iPhone. It is very cool to set stop losses like I showed you in the simulator on your phone. Feels super alpha to do that on the go, but very cool that they're starting with an application on both Android and iPhone, and they have these promotions running. They have the simulator. They have the encyclopedia that shows you everything that you need to know about the beginning parts of leverage trading. For somebody like me that is just die-hard education focused, this is a key component to any exchange. All exchanges should have this on there. Everyone should be trying to teach newcomers what a cryptocurrency exchange is, what the different analysis types are, what are cryptocurrency futures, all these different types of definitions like OTC, the futures exchange, the summaries of each one of the definitions all together to just make it culminate together. I think that these are very important to have on exchanges for newcomers. It just makes perfect sense to me to have an encyclopedia. So I'm really happy to be working with these guys. And as I said below, the link to the encyclopedia, as well as some of the promotions, will be in the description below. That's it for my overview of the Bexplus exchange. It was a lot of fun playing around with that 10 Bitcoin simulation. All the links to their Facebook and their social media and Telegram will be in the description below, as well as a referral link to go check the exchange out, sign up, play the simulation. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And that is it for this episode. I will see you on the next episode of Hack Crypto.